Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Pick the lightest stance that increases parry window and turn on the parry mod. Stand at mid-range and read the enemy wind up. The visual red flash is your cue. Once you see the flash, press block and immediately press attack to trigger the parry riposte. Practice the rhythm slowly, hold block for a beat, then strike. This reduces stagger and forces the enemy into a recovery animation. You gain free damage and control. Once you can land single parries, extend to chains. Parry, hit, then step back or dodge roll about 0. 5 seconds to bait the next strike. You keep pressure by alternating parry and light attacks. This prevents enemy unblockables. Use a ranged ability between parry windows to interrupt heavy combo buildup and conserve stamina. Pay attention to attack tells. Overhead moves are telegraphed and give longer timing, while sweeps are rapid. Adjust your block. You finish fights by converting a successful parry into a heavy finisher or throw. This maximizes stagger and opens the enemy for combos. After the finisher, reset spacing, backstep roughly 1.5 meters, or use a force pull to regain control. If you miss parries repeatedly, identify the cause: lag, input timing, or wrong stance. Make sure to increase parry window with mods, or deliberately delay your block release by about 1 frame to realign with enemy animation frames.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.